Hi friends, let's be honest today. Have you ever had days where your faith just feels small? Hindi ka galit kay Lord pero parang wala ka ng lakas maniwala. You want to pray pero parang wala ka ng nararamdaman. You want to trust God pero ang dami mong tanong na hindi masagot. Alam mo, naramdaman ko din yan eh. And I want to encourage you today. It's okay if your faith feels small because small faith is still faith. And Jesus can do so much with that. Alam mo, sa Matthew chapter 17 verse 20, Jesus said, if you have faith as small as a mustard seed, you can say to this mountain, move from here to there, and it will move. Nothing will be impossible for you. Now, a mustard seed is so tiny, as in halos hindi mo nga ito makita kapag nahulog sa kamay mo, di ba? But Jesus didn't say, come back to me when your faith is stronger. You know what He said? That's enough. Here's what that tells me. The power of faith is not in how big it is. Hindi yung laki ng faith ang mahalaga, kundi kanino ka ba nagtitiwala. Kahit maliit ang tiwala mo, kung kay Jesus mo ito nilalagay, He honors that. Hindi mo kailangan maging super spiritual every day. Even a small step toward God matters. Just keep moving closer. Hindi mo kailangan i-prove na worthy ka kay Lord. Hindi mo kailangan i-earn ang presence niya. Faith is not performance. Faith is a posture. It's showing up. It's whispering, Lord, I am here, even when your hands are shaking. When your heart is questioning, that's still faith. That's a mustard seed trust, and God moves in that. Maybe today you don't feel like worshiping. Maybe pagod ka, naguguluhan ka, o nahihiya kang lumapit sa Kanya. But anyway, you click this video, you pause long enough to hear this message. And I want to tell you, that's faith. That's showing up, and God sees it. Don't underestimate your little faith. Ang mustard seed, yes, maliit. Pero pag tinanim mo yan, mag-uuga, tutubo, lalalim. And before you know it, may faith ka na pala na matibay. Not because you force it, but because God grew it. So today, don't be discouraged kung pakiramdam mo mahina ang loob mo. God is not waiting for you to feel strong. He's just asking you to come as you are. Even nga sa Bible, may isang tatay na nagsabi, I do believe, help me overcome my unbelief. Mark chapter 9 verse 24. That's still faith, that's still trust, and God honors that. It's okay if your faith feels small today because Jesus is still strong, and that's more than enough. If this message blessed you today, please share it with someone who might need it too. Minsan, one word of hope can lift someone back to faith. Thank you very much, and God bless.